It's SUV season right now. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is finally released. This is one of the first ones in the country. It's for somebody very, very famous. This car, we picked it up last night from him. We are going to be doing a bunch of stuff on this. Nothing too crazy. We're not going to be wrapping it a different color or anything like that. But we are going to be matching all the plastic trims on the bottom of the car to the body color, just to give it that bigger effect. I don't think that plastic black trim is nice on this car. It's an expensive SUV. It doesn't need that plastic trim. We're going to take it off. We're going to take it off and paint them all body color. We're also going to do some 24-inch wheels. We're going to lower it. We're going to make it look really nice, sit nice, all white. We're going to leave a lot of chrome on there. You guys will see at the final theme, it's going to all tie in together. So we're going to get started on this and start tearing it apart. Alright, so we got this Audi S6 here. It's fully torn apart. It's getting wrapped right now. This car is going from a dark gray to a black, a simple gloss black. He wants to do all the trims black, everything black, so it's going to be a full gloss black car. Right now we're starting on the whole side of the car here. We're going to be wrapping this in no time.
Did the car turn off?
That's the automatic thing, but I don't know how you turn that on.
Why would a Ferrari have that? I don't know how. There's no button. What the f is on race mode? How do you race with that on?
Hey!
This is the Porsche Panamera Turbo with the Grand GT Tech Art kit on it. You guys saw us build this maybe a few years ago actually. First US Tech Art Panamera. This is the new Panamera body, not the old one. It's got the full wide body kit, the hood, the wing, Tech Art wheels, everything. One of our great customer slash friends, Amir, owns this car, still owns the car. Is going to go to Dubai now, actually. So you guys in Dubai will see this car there. This Panamera has gone 200 miles per hour on a rally. It's a daily driver. When we build these cars, we make sure they drive really good. They drive fast, they drive comfortably, they drive reliably. So that's the whole point with us.
Look it.
Oh. So as you guys know, this GMC van, this car, we did so many mechanical repairs, it's crazy. But we are almost done with everything. As you guys, everything was on the ground. So suspension, oil pan gaskets, bushings, brakes, belts, pretty much everything on this van has been done. It is gonna be a completely brand new van soon. So after this, we're gonna go take it to the body shop and we're gonna start on the body repair and interior. Stay tuned.
All right, quick little update. Rolls-Royce Cullinan behind me. You guys saw it in stock form. We've only had this car for a few hours today. It's already torn apart. The whole rear end is pretty much apart. Rear bumper is technically off, but we kind of put it back just so we avoid any scratches. Rear wing spoiler is off. Front bumper's being taken off right now. So we're getting to work. Even the side skirts are off. All this stuff is already being paint prepped, so we could go ahead and match it to the body color. We're really excited to make this thing look really big. I mean, it already looks big, but we're gonna make it look bigger. We're gonna put bigger wheels. So stay tuned.
All right, time to get a haircut. This fancy car. Here we go.
He's gonna get 50% off, right?
Why?
Because you have 50% of your hair left.
Hey, this is like a crazy experience, actually.
Oh, you never had a mobile?
No, not like this. There's starlights on top. It's like, that's crazy.
Really, Moses?
Movie stars. Oh, very nice.
Porno.
Pornographic. It look like
Porno.
He look like.
You look like porno?
Happy New Year, guys.
I just got a lineup, got a nice haircut. So, Premier Studios, you guys. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Wow!
Hey, it's a pretty good experience.
Hey, it looks cool.
Hey, you got a Brazilian wax?
That's not bad.
If he comes to your house, anywhere you want.
It looks like you have more hair now.
What do you mean? He shaved it and everything. Huh?
Hey, your butthole too?
Ah, hey!
Oh, someone hit me in the nuts.
My ankle, my ankle. Hey,
What?
my leg, my leg. How do you?
1, 2, 3. Why are you touching my ass? He's touching my ass.
Be careful, hold this.
How about you?
Wood.
1, 2. You almost fell.
I wish it fell.